Hello, today I would like to introduce to you about the Node mailer module from the Node.js application to sending an email for basically in this case for demonstration I will use my Gmail account for sending an email. So the first thing we have to install Node mailer by npm install Node mailer dash chef. Yeah, the next that we have to import Node mailer in our root. In this case, we use Express for sending an the backend for sending an email. And the first thing we have to create a transport is requires some properties like host. In this case, we use Google Mail, so we have to use http://gmail.com for certified secure through and authentication. But basically, we can pass the username and password direct for authentication. But in this case, we have to modify the property like allow less secure app, and we have to disable the captcha. It means that it's gonna make our Gmail become less secure. So I don't want to use this one. So I decided to use the OAuth through authentication from the Google. It's gonna make more secure. So how to create the OAuth client? So the first thing we have to go to console.google.cloud.google.com, and we go to the section is API and services, and we're gonna click on the credential, and we're gonna create OAuth client ID, and we select web application. We fill the name, and you have to notice with authorize redirect UI. In this case, after Google authorize my account, I would like to redirect to the developers.google.com/OAuth playground. So I'm gonna pass this URL to this, and gonna create. And this is my client IDs and client secrets. You can download it. I have already downloaded it. So over there, and I can import it and use it directly. So the next thing, how can we generate the request token? For the request token, so we have to go to developer.google.com/OAuth. First thing we have to modify the configuration by click on this button, use OAuth credential, and we have to pass our client ID, client secret. We have to select Gmail. We're gonna click on authorize APIs, select Gmail, allow. Yes, and for generate the refresh token, so we have to copy. Yeah, this is refresh token. So yes, next we finish the create the transform. So in the message we don't need the for, because after we authenticate the user, the email will be sent from this user. We don't need the property for from in the message template. So two, this is receiver. Subject is gonna be the subject. Text is mean the plain text, and HTML is mean that the body will be displayed by the HTML tags. And for sending an email, we're gonna use the method send email. We're gonna pass the message, and we're gonna pass the callback also. And this is a callback. It means we're gonna return the error. And this is my front end. Where can I user can input receiver? It means that I'm gonna input send. Yeah, the message has been sent. So it's quite easy for sending an email via our application. This is the result that I can receive it. So it's quite a little bit easy when using NoteMailer module for sending an email. So thank you for watching.